Welcome to SuiteTrails. Get ready to explore the stunning city of Ronda, Spain with our complete guide series, featuring 7 must-visit spots and hidden gems. Let's wander through the enchanting streets and breathtaking landscapes together. Spain Herb #SuiteTrails #Ronda Spain. Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description. Number 1. A visit to Ronda, in the heart of Andalusia, Spain, transports you to a setting of stunning beauty and deep history. Number 2. Embark on a captivating private tour in Ronda, Spain, where the essence of Andalusia comes to life. Explore the Plaza de Toros, the historic bullring of Ronda, and the Hall of Fame dedicated to local bullfighters. Stroll across the Puente Nuevo, the symbol of Ronda, and enjoy breathtaking views. Begin your journey at the iconic Plaza de Toros, the historic bullring of Ronda, where you'll explore the exterior and delve into the world of bullfighting, discussing its controversy and significance. Next, visit the Hall of Fame dedicated to local bullfighters. Continue to the renowned Puente Nuevo, the symbol of Ronda and one of Andalusia's most spectacular sights. As you stroll across this architectural marvel, enjoy breathtaking views that make for unforgettable photographs. Throughout this approximately 2-hour tour, the picturesque Andalusian landscape of this charming town will leave you with indelible memories, ensuring you depart Spain with a lasting impression. Number 3. Walk through a breeding farm of fighting bulls and pure Andalusian horses with this ticket for a walking tour in the Reservatorio Ronda. Follow your guide through a biosphere reserve on the Costa del Sol that was founded by the bullfighter Rafael Tejada. Meet your guide at the Reservatorio Ronda and begin your walking tour. Share in the lives of horses and bulls throughout all their breeding stages and their fascinating selection process. Interact with these majestic creatures. Immerse yourself in the environment of the king of the meadow, the bull. Find out about the breeding secrets and the brave bull's selection process. Get up close to the bulls in each stage of their lives. In spring, see newborn calves and foals. Admire herds of sleek horses. Soak up the native flora and fauna of the Serranía de Ronda during your visit. Feel the joy of walking under centuries-old oaks. Number 4. Embark on a fascinating group or private tour of Ronda, one of the most important cities in Malaga. Come across iconic locations to learn about the rich cultural heritage of the city and its rural environment. Gaze at the surrounding mountain ranges, such as the Sierra de Grazalema. Meet your guide in the square where the emblematic Plaza de Toros is located and take a pleasant walk to the hidden gems of the city. Hear all about Ronda's Celtic origins and how the Greeks gave it the name, Runda, creating a melting pot of cultures. Enjoy the year-round sunny climate as you make your way through ancient roads and admire the breathtaking views of Tajo de Ronda and other relevant sites. Visit the privileged lookouts of Ronda, Puente Nuevo, Aldehuela, and Viajeros Romanticos. Number 5. Enjoy the natural landscape of the Tajo de Ronda and climb up and down its vertical walls. Be captivated by the impressive views, feel at ease with your guide, and a route that is perfect for beginners. Meet your guide and climb Tajo Iron 2, a simple via ferrata, perfect for newcomers to the sport. As you climb, breathe in the natural environment and feel the reward of the stunning views once you get to the top. Learn all about the history of the Tajo de Ronda, the Ala de Ronda, and the mountains that surround the municipality while the activity takes place. Perfect for all levels of climbers, enjoy an experience that is year-round and suitable for all those 14 and up. Number 6. Experience the best that the Sevillan province has to offer with a guided tour of the countryside and stops in the quaint towns of Zahara de la Sierra, Grazalema, and Ronda. Visit picturesque white villages, an olive oil factory, local castles, and cliff tops. Starting in Seville, cross the Andalusian countryside to get to Zahara de la Sierra, passing the Aguzaderas castle. Explore the town of Zahara de la Sierra town, a picturesque, whitewashed village hidden in the mountains. Next, stop at an olive oil factory on your way to Grazalema. The Sierra de Grazalema Natural Park is home to a range of beautiful landscapes that are perfect for enjoying a leisurely drive. Watch griffin vultures circling the mountains as you pass the largest colony of griffin vultures in Spain. Stop for lunch in Grazalema, surrounded by the classic local white houses adorned with colorful flowers. On the way to Ronda, pass through a Mediterranean forest that serves as an essential source of honey, cork, aromatic spices, and wood. See locals working with cattle, Iberian pigs, and goats. Ronda is one of the oldest towns in Spain and was built on two separate cliffs connected by Spain's most famous bridge, the New Bridge, which was built in the 18th century. Tour Ronda with your guide and take time to explore the town on your own as well. Number 7. Set off at Almocabar Gate, one of the main entries to the impressive walled city of Ronda during Moorish times. In the 13th century, it was through this gate that the Catholic monarch entered Ronda during their triumphal march after the reconquest of the city. Almocabar Gate, one of the most outstanding remains of the defensive fortress walls, is well preserved. You can walk along the walls and enjoy views of the San Francisco area from the viewpoints of the two towers. Next, you will walk by the Church of St. Mary the Elder. The church was built on the remains of a 13th century mosque which was itself constructed on top of a Visigothic church built on top of a Roman altar. Thanks to its rich history as a legacy from different civilizations, this monumental construction bears characteristics of various architectural styles: Renaissance, Gothic, Moorish, and Roman. As we move on, you will stop by Arab Baths of Ronda, one of Ronda's most important tourist attractions. It is the best conserved of its kind in Spain and a hidden treasure that used to have a sophisticated water system using a traditional Moorish water wheel. Its interior echoes Arabic ideas of cosmology with the star-shaped skylights and air vents in the vaulted ceilings. The next destination is Old Bridge, the second oldest of the three bridges spanning El Tajo Gorge, carved into the mountains by the Guadalquivir River and declared a natural monument of Andalusia in April 2019. This peculiar natural feature bisects Ronda into two parts: the Old City, La Ciudad, and Little Market, El Mercadillo. From up there, you can watch the Guadalquivir River below and its spectacular surroundings. Leaving Old Bridge, you will go by New Bridge designed by the famous architect José Martín de Aldehuela. The iconic monument, completed in 1793 after 34 years of construction, is the newest, largest, and highest of the three bridges, located at the very top of the canyon, directly linking the two sections of the city. Visit another monumental construction designed by the same architecture as the New Bridge, Bullring of Ronda. This unique historical and artistic heritage opened in 1785. It can hold up to 5,000 spectators and boasts the largest bullring arena in Spain. What's more, it is the home of the Rondeño style of bullfighting, in which bullfighters hold the now iconic red cape while facing the bull on foot. Outside the arena are statues of Antonio Ordóñez, another significant figure of Ronda, and life-size fighting bulls. Finish your tour at Carrera Espinel Shopping Street, a shopping thoroughfare stretching approximately 1 kilometer through the town. It is not only the central hub for retail therapy if you are in the mood for shopping, but also a historic and cultural legacy with layers of interesting legends around the homely name Calle La Bola. There is a lot to explore in the charming streets lined with an array of shops and boutiques. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.